Troubles Run Free. It's a 32 count, 4-wall, improver level line dance to the song Run Free by Michael Patrick Kelly. We will have one tag at the end of wall 2, but let me show you the steps. Starting with our right foot, side, touch, side, behind side cross, behind side cross, syncopated side rock left, step forward, side rock step. With our right, a syncopated rock step, point to the right, rock step, point. Section 2, sailor quarter turn to our right, sailor quarter, cross left, side right, behind left with a hitch right behind. So behind hitch, behind side cross, behind side cross, step lock step forward with our left, step lock step. Section 3, we're going to turn a quarter to our right with Dorothy steps or wizard steps, right and left. So quarter, Dorothy and Dorothy and. Rock forward on right, sweep back right, sweep back left, behind side cross, behind side cross. Last section, side, a follow through with our left into a triple step, cross side behind, and from here a sailor quarter turn to our left, sailor quarter. That's the end of the 32 counts, and you start the dance again from the beginning. But let's first put some counts to those steps. 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. At the end of wall 2, there will be an 8 count tag. Let me show you what that looks like. Starting with our right foot, side, touch, side, behind side cross, same with our left, side touch side, behind side cross. Tag with counts 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And you start the dance again. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy.